Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace or repair kernel32.dll safely. So let's begin. So if you're having this issue, we can easily do that by running a command. Go over here, click on the Windows button, type cmd, and make sure to run as an admin. Okay. So another window will pop up. Type in sfc scan now. Click enter, hit enter, and your computer will begin scanning your computer for any corrupted or damaged files. And this will automatically detect that kernel32.dll that it has been corrupted and will fix it once this hits 100%. So once done, you can click on close, refresh, and just make sure to restart your computer so it will automatically appear, or any issues you had will no longer show. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.